Hi guys, DigitalOcean has established itself a prominent player in the cloud hosting market, particularly appealing to developer and small to medium-sized businesses. Its offerings are designed to provide straightforward and efficient way to host website and application. Here a comprehensive look at what DigitalOcean bring to the table of web hosting. User-friendly interface. One of the standout features of DigitalOcean is its intuitive user interface. The platform is designed to simplify the process of developing and managing web application. User can easily create and manage droplet with just a few clicks, making it accessible even if these may not have extensive technical expert. This easy of use to particularly beneficial for developer looking to quickly launch project without getting bogged down to complex configuration. Performance and scalability. DigitalOcean infrastructure is built on high-performance SSD-based storage, which significantly enhance the speed or reliability of web application. The platform offers scalable solution, allowing user to start with a small droplet and easy upgrade to large instance as their need grow. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that anticipate fluctuating traffic level, ensuring that they can scale resources up or down without hassle. Cost effectiveness. DigitalOcean is now for its competitive pricing structure, which appeal to startup and small business. They pay as you go model allow user to online pay for the resources the consumer, making it a budget friendly option for web hosting. User can choose from various droplet configuration to match their specific need, ensuring they get the best value for their investment. Community and support. The DigitalOcean community is robust and active, providing a wealth of resources of user. The platform offers extensive documentation, tutorial, and community forum where user can seek help and stake knowledge. This community drive support is invaluable, especially for those new to web hosting or looking to troubleshoot specific issue. However, some users have reported that while the community is helpful directly, customer support can sometimes be slow to respond. Deployment option. DigitalOcean support a variety of deployment option, making it versatility of different type of web application. User can deploy application using pre-configured image for popular Firework, Look, Django, Node.js, and WordPress, which streamline the startup process. Additionally, the platform offers Kubernetes support for those looking to manage containerized application, further enhance its appeal to developer. Security feature. Security is a crucial consideration for any web hosting services, and DigitalOcean provides several features to help protect user data. User can implement firewall, enable two-factor authenticator, and utilize private networking to enhance security. These features are essential for businesses that handle essential information and need to ensure compliance with data protection regulation. Challenging and consideration. While DigitalOcean has many strategies, there are some challenges to consider. Users have reported occasional issues with account management, particularly regarding strict anti-fraud measures that can lead to account suspension. Additionally, while the platform is generally reliable, some users have experienced downtime, which can be a concern for mission crucial application. Conclusion. Overall, DigitalOcean is a strong choice for web hosting, particularly for developers and small to medium-sized businesses. Its user-friendly interfaces, performance, capability, and cost-effectiveness make it an attractive option for these looking to host website and application. While there are some challenges, the benefit often outweighed and the drawback, making DigitalOcean a reliable partner is cloud hosting. Whatever you are launching a personal project or a business application, Digital can provide the tools and resources needed to success in the digital landscape.